Good morning, everyone. We're starting off the morning with a bird rescue. One of our little goldfinch hit the window. So,
I don't want to open it because
yeah.
they could bounce at any time.
So what Joe does is he goes, if sometimes they fly away, but this one didn't. It's a little tiny goldfinch. It landed on our metal box out there. And so Joe brings it in and puts it in a box until we start hearing it scratch around, and then he'll release it. Especially when it's cold like this.
Yeah,
so
when they hit that window, they're dazed, so they fluff their feathers all out, and all that does is let that cold get in. So a lot of the little birds, that if it wasn't super cold out, they'd get their bearings again, and they'd fly back off. In the wintertime, that doesn't happen. That's why you'll see them laying around where they'll sometimes like run into the side of your garage door or something, and you'll find them dead there. Well, they didn't die from hitting the garage most of the time. They froze. So if you bring them in, give them just a little bit of time, maybe 20 minutes and everything. I think when I brought them in like that, I've only ever had one not make it, because it just dazes them. I've not ever had one that had like a broken wing that I didn't know what to do with. I'll open it up outside and they just fly back out. So what is it? I've had a male cardinal, a female cardinal, the goldfinches. I don't really care for doves, but I had a dove one time.
Save the dove.
He was a big one, and almost every kind of the little woodpeckers. I don't think I've ever had one of the big woodpeckers hit it. They fly so fast, they'd probably kill themselves if they hit it. The doves usually die too, I think, when they've hit. We haven't had very many though. But yeah, he'll be okay. It's kind of cool that you can pick them up. And don't forget, I haven't touched my face or anything, but with bird flu going around, if you do something like this, make sure you wash your hands good afterwards. So
it's time to see if, can you hear it? Yeah. Oh, I did hear it. But he's ready to get out, or she. It's a he, right? Because it's of the color.
Penny, stay.
Penny, stay. So we can hear it in there, so we know it's time for release.
Yeah. He is not.
Usually they just fly right out of the box. Yeah. Woo! There he goes.
Way up.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yep.
My sister was here last night, and we went to Marshall's, and I looked for Valentine things and didn't find anything there, but then we went to Ross, and I found these really cute houses to complete my mantle. It has a little poodle on the front porch. And the little hearts on sticks, I got those from Amazon. And then the Valentine garland, I must have got that last year on clearance. I wish I would have bought, I actually have one more package, but I need 2 more. So I should have bought 4 to make it all the way across my mantle. And then I have decorated my shelves somewhat. There's the books, some of the books that I got at the thrift store on Thursday. And this shelf's kind of a work in progress. This stuff doesn't all go on this shelf, like this vase. I've just kind of been experimenting with things on that shelf. Those things I've all had from previous years. And this is my hall table. I haven't got the bottom of it done yet. I just kind of stuck some things there for the time being, but I did get the top pretty much how I wanted it. I bought these for the downstairs bathroom because I thought they were so cute. I love the strawberries, and yet it still looks like it's Valentine's Day. And I did get this tray done, and I'm still working on my tiered tray. Joe says Midge wanted to be in the... Yep, Craig, I'm coming.
And the more Valentine stuff she buys, the more bourbon my daddy can buy.
Yeah. We got an email yesterday from one of our viewers, and I thought I would let Craig read it and then answer her questions.
Hi, Sal. I'm so glad you're enjoying our channel. I'll print out your email and have Craig
Oh, no, Craig's reading mine. Read this one down here.
On Saturday, January 25th, 2025, at 12:10 a.m., Shai Garcia. My name is Shai. It's pronounced Shai. And I love your show because, Craig, I have a lot in common. I watch Sailor Moon, Looney Tunes, The Flintstones, Scooby-Doo, and I mostly like Bugs Bunny. I'm 14 years old, and I'm autistic too. I make animations of my favorite movies and cartoons. I love Squashmallows. I think they are cute. I was wondering if you ever watched Dickin' Around, a cartoon from the 90s. It's one of my favorite shows ever. And who's your favorite character in movies and cartoons? I love your impression of Michigan J. Frog. And my favorite Looney Tunes episodes are with Baby Buggy Bunny, Hide and Go Tweet, and Hair Raising Hair. They are fun to watch. Thank you so much for reading my email. Can't wait to hear from you. God bless you all and keep having a great day. Love, Shine.
Can you answer her questions?
What is?
Here, I'll tell you what she asked you. She was wondering if you've ever watched Stickin' Around.
I knew that show. I watched on home video.
Can you tell us about it?
It's about two kids having adventures when they stick around as stick people.
Did you like it?
Yep, I love it.
Do they talk?
Yeah, they talk too.
Do you know who did the voices?
I don't know.
Okay. She says she liked your impression of Michigan J. Frog. And her favorite Looney Tunes episodes are with Baby Buggy Bunny, Hide and Tweet, and Hair Raising Hair. She wants to know, who's your favorite character in movies or cartoons?
Garfield.
I did not know what you were going to say there. What do you love about Garfield?
He loves lasagna, he hates Mondays, diets, and exercises.
He's pretty relatable. If anyone else would like to send an email for Craig, I'd be happy to have him read it in one of our blogs and answer your questions.
Thanks for the email, Shy. And keep on having a great day.
Our first guests have arrived.
It's just a gift bag that was underneath our
I knew you were going to explain right away.
It actually says Dev Die on the tags. Libby.
Hi, Kobe. Hi, buddy. Josie. Hi.
Your birthday party.
You come to my birthday party? All right.
What do you say?
Happy birthday.
Thank
Now
you.
we're gonna do the decoration.
All right.
So you gotta go upstairs.
I gotta go upstairs.
So you
Okay.
can do the decoration.
You look so cute.
I'm gonna go chop down some trees.
What do you think, buddy? Do you have a smile for Grandma today? So I want my bottle. Yeah. Okay, Libby, show everyone your braids. I love them. Do you have braids, Josie? Nope, not braids.
Look at my braids.
Are you pretending you're a baby?
What?
Yeah.
Look at my braids.
Whoa. It's like Pippi Longstocking. Mommy needs to make you Pippi Longstocking braids. And Haley and Bennett have arrived with the Bundt cakes. That's why my request was anything Bundt cakes.
Oh yeah, it's recording.
Are you taking me down? Okay.
Let's go.
Double Mama's hand, huh?
Wait for me.
Okay.
Not like a ton of stuff, but she had a lot of fun with it. Wait. Let me get over here. All right, Livy, get in there. All right. Oops.
Oh, it's in here. Oh my gosh! It's beautiful. I love it. I love the rainbow.
Look at this.
I missed the table.
I set it at the table.
Wait, is this my banana?
No, that's not real. And look at.
Josie was putting snacks on the table for you.
Oh, it hearts. I love it. You did such a good job.
I did the table. Look at me put it on.
Is this mine?
No, that's mine. I brought it.
You brought it? Oh, and look at the ducks. Are these mine?
These ones are ours.
Oh, okay.
I think all of them are ours, but the blue one maybe.
They're so cute.
They've all been claimed.
Are these from Target?
Uh-huh.
They're
Oh, that's
adorable. I don't know if I've seen those yet.
Wait, where is well? Oh yeah, presents. Wait, is all the people here alright?
Yep, everybody's here.
What?
Should we do a video of the tablescape?
Yeah, do the. Let's get this off because it's an unfinished decoration.
She's done it with mine. She just like does like an underfold and then stitches around it. You can't tell. And it's like instantly it takes them up like that fall.
Yeah, probably helps.
Yeah, because otherwise they're gonna fray on you. Anyway.
My black bear's already frayed down here.
Yeah, I got them where they've done that to me too.
All right.
Okay.
I'm putting this.
Lizzie's excited. What is it? A crown.
Read the card.
Oh,
The
okay.
purple.
Okay, this one's from Livy. It says, "Happy birthday, Grandma. Love, Olivia." And it has, is this a hand? And a butterfly. Whoa, what a beautiful butterfly. And a flower. Look how good. Livy's such a great artist.
Did you make one too?
Card says, "Happy birthday, Grandma.
That's
Love, Colby." Oh, everybody put their hand in, I
that's
see.
his hand, isn't
Well,
it?
Josie didn't.
Josie did, of course.
Wait till
Happy
you see hers,
birthday,
Josie.
Grandma. Oh, it's full of stickers. Whoa.
She had a
I
lot of
love
fun
it,
making that.
Josie. Look at all the ducks. I bet there's like 61 ducks for every year, right?
That's right.
30 ducks without
And
two
did you
play.
give me Barbie stickers?
This one's from Josie. She said Grandma
Whoa.
would love Barbie stickers. And Livy got you the crown.
Is this from Colby?
And that's from, well, it's from Josie as well.
Oh, okay.
She saw, Grandma loves to do stickers.
And it's a Valentine decoration.
Yeah,
this
you
is perfect.
put that on
I
the
could put that
table.
next to one of my houses up there.
It'd be
'Cause
like
they
a
have a dog
dog.
and what are these called?
The Target dog.
Yeah, but he's got I just can't think of the name of it.
Bullseye.
Right
It's
Oh, what kind of
Bullseye.
dog?
That's his name.
I
Yeah,
gave
Libby,
I
watch
gave
out.
that
Boston
to
Terrier?
No, he's not a Boston Terrier.
I gave you it.
I just can't-
American
yeah, I
something?
love it. And you
Spuds
gave me this.
Uh-huh.
Oh, dang, Craig's not down here.
I gave you those too.
I might give him a
He'd
headache.
say, "'Cause they're trying to give you a headache." I love it. Little teeny one. Who's the crown from?
Me.
You. Thank you
Good
so
job,
much.
girls.
Yeah,
Should I put it on?
good picking. You did a good job
It's
picking
because
presents.
you're the
didn't you?
star of the day.
Oh, thank you. I got your card. Where'd it go? Oh, Bernie's sitting on it. Bernie always wants to be in the videos.
And this means you're the star of the day.
Oh, it even has a star on it. Thank you.
That means that you're
Oh, thank you. Getting me.
All right, this one's Ben and Haley's. I just brought it over.
But there's
heavy.
another one up there.
It's
No.
alcohol.
It's up there.
That's the cake.
Oh, it's a. Oh, I love it.
Bottom.
Is it an African violet?
Yes.
Oh, this is so. And I love the pot. Isn't that pretty? I've heard these are hard.
They're like
so.
leaves on that.
Well, my
They're
mom
different
always
than-
said that.
I like the.
But now we have
the
Google
fuzziness
that
You
of
have
it.
a nice like window spot.
Yeah, I do. Oh, and this one looked really pretty over there too.
Does look really cool.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
the
I
bottom
like
to the
the
pot.
leaves
Well,
on that.
thank you guys so much. And Haley Bennett also paid for all those Bundt cakes, which I know were probably as expensive as
Remember,
lunch, if
I
not
wanted
more.
strawberry cake. I wanted strawberry.
Really?
I'm always shocked with how decent it is there.
Yeah.
I think it was like.
I want a
Are you
cake.
kidding me?
Yeah.
They're not bad. It's like $3 a cake or something like
Oh, I
that.
thought it was more than that.
Depending on the
Also,
kind, I
They're
think.
so good, and I'll show the cakes. If you haven't seen anything Bundt cakes, they're delicious. I know. I ordered strawberry for you and Josie. All right. Thank you, everyone. I love it.
Where's the party hat then?
On your head.
On my head?
I feel like this is like an episode of Mr. Nudo.
Hey, Bennett.
Like that?
Bennett's actually gonna get cast for Miss
He's a unicorn! Like this?
Marvel.
Nice. He can run around like a horse. Oh. Huh?
You're so funny.
Yeah.
Mommy, why is this here?
Whoa, where'd that money come from? I don't know.
Josie found it, put it there, maybe?
Oh,
She
maybe.
put stuff on all the plates.
Oh, I bet she did. I don't know where she got it from,
Did
but.
you put the money on the plates?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at these bundt cakes. They come in such a pretty box.
Yeah, these are just.
And I think we got one. What kind is that? We got one of just about everything. That's, oh,
White
see,
chocolate.
that's my favorite one, the white chocolate raspberry.
My word.
And they have a Reese's peanut butter one here that looks amazing also. This is the
cream.
strawberry cream. This is the kind Livy and Josie and Stephanie want.
But we're strawberry
These
cake.
look good.
Oh, Bennett Gate. Is that the strawberry one you set by her?
Yep, I sat by her. Yep.
Bennett set it by you.
Oh, there.
Then I got a snickerdoodle one for myself.
Oh, I wondered if you guys. I thought that's the kind you guys like so much. Red velvet.
Red velvet.
That's Dusty's
Usually I
favorite.
really like lemon. Lemon is
Yeah,
awesome.
I know, I
lemon.
would love
Where's
the
my
lemon.
strawberry cake?
And then
It's
the
written
last
right by
one,
you. You just can't see this. The strawberry's probably inside.
And then the only one that really looks different, well, except it's red velvet.
It says chocolate chip.
Yep. Chocolate chip.
Yeah, they look so good. I know they're good. These are delicious.
No, it's for
And are they? Did Stephanie say they're?
No.
Do you know how much they are? Well, this was like $50. Did you say? And there were.
remember right.
Did we get like 12 or
Wow.
Yeah,
maybe?
uh-huh.
Yeah. So that is not bad.
It's a fine deal.
Because honestly,
like this, it ain't
well,
bad.
yeah, I was gonna say to order a big cake would be at least that much.
Yeah. Which I mean, they do big cakes.
Yeah.
As well. It's like, I don't know why I wouldn't just get the buntlets.
Yeah, the buntlets are fun, and you get to
Yeah.
try all the flavors.
But
Buntlets,
it's a
that's it.
yeah, they call them. It's a pre-sliced cake.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to eat my cake now.
It's good for guys like me that.
That's up to your mama.
aren't really big
I don't
on the
know what
portion
she's gonna say
control.
about that. And your daddy.
Oh, cake. Well, you cut it.
Joe says this will be a good bird box.
If I cut that the right way, if I can still keep these.
But it's too pretty to be
Then
a
I
bird
can-
box.
I
Then
can-
we'll have to throw it away when we're
Yeah,
done.
that's right. Right now, because of the bird
Yeah.
food, you can't keep a box. Every time you have to throw them away. So.
Craig has emerged. He heard the food has arrived. And there's all our yummy food.
That's a lot.
And our lunch is $132, which I consider not bad for 7 people. This is my bruschetta chicken sandwich. It looks really good.
Holy mac.
Where's the bruschetta? I thought the bruschetta was actually, I didn't remember it being a whole tomato, but I know the sandwich is good. Here are Craig's chicken strips. There you go, Craig. You
Look.
want to take them?
Here. Yeah, tell you what.
I can't remember who got the pot roast. Well, this is Dusty's.
Here.
These are the fries that go with the poutine. Here's the poutine topping. This is Haley's. It's called the Southsider Bowl. That looks fabulous. What's this one? This is the chips for the buffalo chicken dip. And this is the buffalo chicken dip. Stephanie got the pork medallions. That looks yummy. What are these? Oh, it's a corn muffin. I see now. All right, I think that's everything. Joe already has his meatloaf. And this is Joe's meatloaf, which looks pretty good. I'm not a meatloaf person, but that looks pretty good. I think the meatloaf has Graziano sausage in it. Is that right?
Yeah, it's Graziano meatloaf.
Yeah, that sounds good. Craig, how are your chicken strips?
Good.
And Craig actually waited for lunch until 12:55, which may have made him a teeny bit grumpy.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Grandma.
Okay. Should I just pretend for now?
Yeah. We mean.
Then we'll blow them out in a little. We'll do it again when we have our cake, okay? Josie wanted to sing happy birthday. Are you against singing happy birthday, Craig?
No.
Okay.
Alright, on go. 3,
I need
2,
clay.
1, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Blow 'em out.
Okay,
Give her a gift, Greg.
Where's my birthday present? Thank you. All right, it's
Where's my
cake
birthday
time.
present? Cake time.
That's right now. Responsible.
Ben thinks his birthday present.
That was
Oh,
responsible.
man.
Have high five. High five.
Of course, whenever the camera comes out. You give Mama a high five?
Kobe. High five.
As you can see now, there are no longer any happy swimming around in here.
All right, big boy. I saw it. You do it again. Give Mama a high five.
High five. High five.
Here we go. You're the big boy. Yay. You got to clap for him, Livy.
Kobe. Give Sissy high five.
It's like, well, your hand looks different. There you go.
Is this baby toddler class?
Yeah, this is the baby toddler class.
No, you gotta stay here.
Actually, have a baby one who's doing the toddler.
That's true. I can see Colby's face. There he is. Do you like feeding him? Yeah. Penny looking longingly because Bennett and Haley went outside. They're bringing some stuff in to put in the basement for when they move in. There's Bennett with a big tote. I'll open the door for him.
There he is.
You like Craig? Yeah.
And there's
Who's
Colby.
that? Is that Papa and Colby? You can buy some more oh, she's on my Amazon.
Yeah.
This book is called Gregory the Terrible Eater by Michelle Charmat, illustrated by Jose Rugo and Aaron Dewey. Once there was a goat named Gregory. Gregory liked to jump from rock to rock, kick his legs into the air, and butt his head against walls. "I'm an average goat," said Gregory. But Gregory was not an average goat. Gregory was a terrible eater. Every time he sat down to eat with his mother and father, he knew he was in for trouble. "Would you like a tin can, Gregory?" asked Margot. "No, thanks," said Gregory. "How about a nice box, a piece of rug, and a bottle cap?" asked Fargo. "Bah!" said Gregory unhappily. "Well, I think this is a meal fit for a goat," said Margot, as she chewed on an old shoe. "It certainly is," said Father Goat, as he ate a shirt, buttons, and all. "I don't know why you're such a fussy eater, Gregory." "I'm not fussy," said Gregory. "I just want fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish, bread, and butter. Good stuff like that." Margot stopped eating the shoe. "Now what kind of food is that, Gregory?" she said. "It's what I like," said Gregory. "It's revolting," said Father Goat. He wiped his mouth with his napkin. After Gregory was excused from the table, Father Goat said, "Gregory is such a terrible eater." "I wonder what's wrong with him," said Mother Goat. Mother and Father Goat ate their evening newspaper in silence. The next morning, Mother and Father Goat were enjoying a pair of pants and a coat for breakfast. Gregory came to the table. "Good morning, Gregory," said Father and Mother Goat. Good morning, said Gregory. May I have some orange juice, cereal, and bananas for breakfast, please? Oh, no, said Mother Goat. Mother Goat said. Do you have some in this nice coat? Take a bite off of these pants, said Father Goat. Bah! said Gregory, and he left the table. Father Goat drew down his napkin. That does it, he said. Gregory isn't eating right. We must take him to the doctor. Father and Mother Goat took Gregory to the doctor. Dr. Ram was munching on a few pieces of cardboard. What seems to be the trouble? He asked. Gregory is a terrible eater, said Mother Goat. We offer him the best. Shoes, boxes, magazines, tin cans, coats, pants. But all he wants was our fruit, vegetables, eggs, fish, orange juice, and other horrible things. What do you have to say about all of this, Gregory? Asked Dr. Ram. Well, I want what I like, said Gregory. Makes sense, said Dr. Ram. He turned to Mother and Father Goat. I've treated picky eaters before, he said. They have to develop a taste of good food slowly. Try giving Gregory one new food each day until he eats everything. That night for dinner, Mother Goat gave Gregory spaghetti and a shoelace and tomato sauce. Not too bad, said Gregory. The next day, she gave him string beans and a rubber heel cut into small pieces. That meal was good and rubbery, said Gregory. The day after that, Mother Goat said, We have your favorite today, vegetable soup, but there is one condition. You also have to eat the can. Okay, said Gregory. What's for dessert? Ice cream, said Father Goat. But you have to eat the box too. Yummy, said Gregory. I'm proud of you, said Father Goat. You're beginning to eat like a goat. I'm learning to like everything, said Gregory. One evening, Father Goat asked, Has anyone seen my striped necktie? Not since breakfast, said Mother Goat. Come to think of it, I haven't seen my sewing basket today. I left it in the living room after supper last night. Father Goat turned to Gregory. Gregory, have you been eating between meals? Yes, said Gregory. I can't help it. Now I like everything. Well, said Mother Goat, it's all right to eat like a goat, but you shouldn't eat like a pig. Oh, said Gregory. Okay. The next evening, just before supper, Mother and Father Goat went to the town dump. They brought home 8 flat tires, a 3-foot piece of barber pole, a broken violin, and half a car. They piled everything in front of Gregory's sandbox. When Gregory came home for supper, he said, What's all that stuff in the yard? Your supper, said Father Goat. It all looks good. Good, said Gregory. Gregory ate the tires and the violin. Then he slowly ate the barber pole. But when he started in the car, he said, I've got a stomach ache. I have to lie down. Gregory went to his room. I think Gregory ate too much junk, said Father Goat. Let's hope so, said Mother Goat. All night, Gregory tossed and twisted and moaned and groaned. The next morning, he went down for breakfast. What would you like for breakfast today, Gregory? Asked Father Goat. Scrambled eggs and 2 pieces of wax paper and a glass of orange juice, said Gregory. That sounds just about right, said Mother Goat. And it was. The end. Well, good night, everybody, and keep on having a great day.